Hi, welcome to episode 6 at home with John. It's a beautiful June day. It's dry, no mosquitoes, not that hot. Went for a walk with a friend of mine who's a botanist, and he was showing me different kinds of ferns and plants that grew by a stream. But right now I'm back at home, and I thought I'd tackle some quackgrass, also known as witch's grass. It's been growing in my garden. Last year I got all these bales of spoiled hay, and I had the brilliant idea of like putting it all over the garden. I was able to cover the entire garden with bales, not even spread open the bales of hay, and figuring it would smother everything, kind of the Ruth Stout idea. Well, that didn't work out too well. The quackgrass sends out rhizomes that creep right through the matted hay. I have to dig it out by hand. So what I did was put a piece of black plastic over that, and what I'm going to do is unpeel, take the black. It's been on for a couple of weeks. Take it off and see what it looks like out there, and maybe pull up a few plants to show you what I have to deal with. This has always been a problem for me, this stuff. And if you rototill the area, you break up the rhizomes, and each rhizome can form a new plant. It's kind of a Medusa thing. So let's go take a look at that. I want you to know that I haven't looked under this yet, so this is like you're going to see this the same time I am. It's kind of like opening the Al Capone safe that Geraldo did back a few years ago. He opened the safe up and there was nothing inside. Well, I'm afraid I will find something. What I'll find is a bunch of weeds that have managed to live in complete darkness. But let's take a look. Let's unpeel it. That looks encouraging. It's pretty sickly. So let's take a look. Let's do a little digging and see what's underneath, how these things look. Curses. Now, I don't know. You can see these rhizomes have all the starch and all the food that this plant needs to grow. So it's more than capable of sending up new green shoots and reproducing itself. There's going to be a lot more. I've weakened it maybe, but I haven't defeated it. That was just one spot, so Did I mention that I'm 73 and I'm going to be 74 in September? But this really isn't what I should be doing. I should be sitting in the shade reading a book, which I probably would do. I want to show you this. This is oh my God, look at that. Now, this is a disaster. This gives you a really, you can see the hay that I spread last year, and all among it, all these roots. They did fine. Didn't discourage them at all. So this is going to be a laborious task, and in keeping with not making this video too long, what I think I want to do is to stop it. Put some of this, dig some more of this up, put it in the compost, and then water the garden. Just forget it for now. Pick it up another day. That's it. Bye.